Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Lally and I am a wig maker, a costume maker and a Lady Gaga impersonator, and recently I have qualified as a makeup artist. So I am coming to you today with this Lady Gaga House of Gucci promo inspired look. I have listed everything that I use down below in the description box, so go and check that down there. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see what I come up with next, and give me a comment, ask me any questions. I am here to help. And without rambling on, let's get into it. I am going to start with my Wonder Kiss lip gloss. I'm not going to use this as a gloss, I'm just using the plumping effect from it, and I'm going to put that in just the center of both lips and let that do its job. It's going to give me a spicy finger, isn't it? And then I'm going to take this concealer, which is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in the color 06, and I'm going to use that as the base for my eyeshadow. I've taken the sponge off the top because you just save a lot more product by doing that. So just take it onto a little concealer brush and you can just pop it on your eyes. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Stay Matte powder and I'm just going to set that concealer. Now I'm going to take the colour Tan from the NYX Powder Contour Palette and I'm just going to use that as a transition shade on my crease. I'm just going to use a Spectrum Fluffy brush for this. And now I'm going to use colour Hollow to deepen the crease and also to just apply a little bit to the outer corners. I'm going to swipe a little bit of that into the rest of the lid as well and blend those two colours together. And just take it under. Now I'm going to take the Stupid Love palette by Haus Labs and I'm going to take the colour Stupid Love and I'm just going to go into the outer corner. And now I'm just going to blend all that together using my fluffy paintbrush to really smoke it out. If anyone wants to know, this is the Pro Art Series 28 wash brush and it's 1/4 inch. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Tattoo Liner in Deep Onyx and I'm just going to literally cover my eyes in it. And just tightline. I like to tightline just by closing my eyes and like rubbing the pencil inside, tilting upwards, but you have to be very aware of where your eyeball is because you don't want to poke yourself in the eye. This is the part where I have to wait until my contact lenses spin back around because I have an astigmatism. And now I'm going to take a little angle brush and I'm just going to smoke that out. I'm going to change angle brush because this one's shit. I really want to do this with my push liner brush, but I can't find it. Found it! So you just want to smudge all of that out, going this way. And you also want to do your bottom lash line as well. Gorgeous. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm just using the original one, not the Sky High one, because I just think it's a better formula for me. And my lash desires. Can anyone do mascara without pulling a ridiculous face? The good thing about Smoky eyeshadow is that you can fuck up your mascara and no one will know. Now I'm just going to comb my eyebrows into the correct shape. Now I'm going to use some Lash Duo. This is the Rapid Dry Stuff and I really don't like it, but I don't know where I've put my normal Lash Duo. I just bought a new one for this tutorial and Does anyone else do this? Like, I save all of my lashes. I clean them with alcohol after I use them, just some rubbing alcohol, and I get all of the glue off, and then I'll like use them to death. I just keep them all in a little box, and then I have to like sift through the whole box to find a matching pair of lashes, but then I just like never have to buy new lashes. Just gonna pop a little bit of lash dew. See, it just clogs up so fucking much as well. Oh, I just pierced a little hole in the lash dew, and that's gonna kind of seal itself. Just dip my lash in it. And because it's the rapid dry, I'm not going to let it dry for too long. And now I'm just taking my Collection brown eyebrow pencil. I also sometimes use this as an eyeliner. And I'm just gonna fill in my brows, and now I'm just going to comb that through. Hit a few greys whilst we're at it. When you're my age, your eyebrows go grey. Now I'm going to take my Haus Labs eyeliner in Punk, and I'm just going to go over the lash line. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation in the colour 23 True Beige. And I'm just going to blend that in with a fluffy brush. Lady Gaga's contour seems to be quite warm around the perimeter of the face, and then a little bit of a more grey tone on the cheekbones. So I'm going to use the same concealer but in the colour 11 Tan, and I'm just going to keep the sponge on this time, pop it kind of in the places where I need to warm up, and change my face shape a little bit to match hers. I'm not going to do the most with that because I want it to be a wearable look. So more of a little nod to Gaga rather than transformation. Oops. And it seems that she's kind of got it around her nose around here as well. I'm going to take my same foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend it all in. Now I'm going back to my NYX powder contour palette, and I'm going to use the colour Sculpt just to do that cheekbone contour. And now I'm just going to set that with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. The lid is broken, but I'm going to take my e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush in the colour Rose Gold. I'm just going to take this little tapered A05 brush, and some on the nose, some on the chin, a little on the forehead. I like to do a little bit on the jawbone, but the lip too. I'm using the Barry M lip liner in the colour Minx. I'm going to keep within my lip line on the outer corners, and then come up on the third into the vermilion border and just above the Cupid's bow. Then on the lower lip line, I'm going to square it and keep coming out outside of the lip line until I just get to the inner corners, and then I'm going to like quickly swipe it in. Did that make any sense? I'm just going to show you. Hopefully it makes sense once I show you. I need to wax my moustache. Kind of like that. I'm just going to sketch inside a little bit, keeping the center blank. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the colour 652, and I'm going to blend all that together with a lip brush. Now I'm just going to spray my face with Maybelline's Lasting Fix, and now I'm just going to pop my wig on. then you want to take the two little tails and flip them to the other side, like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned how to get this Lady Gaga House of Gucci promo tour interview kind of hair and makeup look. I absolutely love this look. I think it's just like a gorgeous like glam kind of look, and you don't really need that much to recreate it, and you can probably recreate it with products you already have, but if you want to use the products that I've used, they'll be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see what I come up with next, and leave me a comment of what you want to see next. It doesn't have to be Gaga, it can be costume, wig, makeup, anything you want to see, any celebrity. Let me know and tag me on Instagram if you decide to follow this video and recreate the look. It is at Lally Burns. And other than that, have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.